ಬೊಮ್ಮನಹಳ್ಳಿ ವಿಧಾನಸಭಾ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ಎಚ್ಎಸ್ಆರ್ ಬಡಾವಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ 22ರಿಂದ ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ 26ರವರೆಗೆ ಸಡಗರ ಸಂಭ್ರಮದಿಂದ ದುರ್ಗಾ ಪೂಜೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಹಾಗೂ 4 ದಿನಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಪ್ರತಿನಿತ್ಯ 100ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ಕಲಾವಿದರಿಂದ ಸಂಗೀತ ರಸಸಂಜೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ವರ್ಷಾ ಸಂಘದ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಲಾಗಿದ್ದು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭಕ್ತರು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸದೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಮೂಲಕವೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಆನಂದಿಸಬಹುದು ಎಂದು ವರ್ಷಾ ಸಂಘದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಅಂಬರ್ ಮಿತ್ರ ಅವರು ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕವಾಗಿ ಮನವಿ ಮಾಡಿದರು.
Good morning, good evening everyone. I am Amber Mitra, President of Barsha. Barsha stands for Bengali Association for the Residents of Shajapur and HSR Layout. Formed in the year 2014 December, Barsha is a socio-cultural organization. We not only do festivals like Durga Puja, Kali Puja, Lakshmi Puja or Saraswati Puja, we also do a lot of social responsibility activities like giving food during the distribution of food during the pandemic COVID situation, helping the people got affected by Amphan. This year we have been doing Durga Puja, which is our 5th year of Durga Puja. In the last 4 years we have got lot of accolades, lot of awards, and every day we used to have 3,000 plus devotees coming to our puja, and it was a huge success. As I said that we used to get awards and accolades, it ranges from various other activities like either the best idol in Bangalore or the best crowd management or the best cultural event that we have been doing. But this year, in the 5th year, we are doing it in a little toned down way because we have to kind of adhere to the BBMP and Government of Karnataka guidelines. Having said that, while we focus, and which is the biggest USP for Barsha, which is the puja rituals, there are 2 important aspects that we are considering this year. First thing is the safety and security of our members. And by the way, this year we are only doing members only puja. And when I say safety and security, we are spending huge efforts in implementing the IT technology in terms of the people movement and number of people within the puja premises and outside the puja premises. Then things like touchless puja. When I said that we are sending prasadam and bhog to our members on 2 days at their home. At the same time, we are also going to have auto temperature check before anybody comes inside the premises. The second important thing that we are focusing on is the members engagement. When I say members engagement, we are talking about that all the 4 days we are going to have our internal and external cultural programs which are going to be streamlined online, which the members can sit with their family in their houses and watch and enjoy those functions. Having said that, last but not the least, I as a president of Barsha is very thankful to our core team because of whom this program, this puja is happening from the planning stage to the execution stage. Also, we would like to extend our thanks to Mr. Kaushik Mukherjee, retired IS officer, Mr. Rupak Datta, retired IPS officer, Mr. Kupendra Reddy, Member of Parliament, and Mr. Satish Reddy, who is an MLA for our constituency. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best festival season to all the Bangaloreans. Thank you.